Hey, leaders. So, our first new value here at Crossway is engaging theology. And we define it like this: engaging theology is understanding and applying the scripture to the culture that is by living it out personally and communicating it humbly as equal image bearers of God. So, what does that mean? I think it means that it's not enough for us just to study the Bible for our own knowledge and understanding. We need to ask ourselves, why are we engaging with scripture or with theology in the first place? And it's so that we can also help others to understand and to connect to the larger story that is Jesus Christ. So, as leaders, when you and your group are deciding what books to read or what video studies to engage with, or when you're thinking about how you prepare to engage your group in a book of the Bible, you'd be asking yourselves, is the material and the approach that I'm using equipping people in my group to not only understand the information, but also giving them the ability to live it out and to share that knowledge in the world that is, right? That's the big part of it, is how do we use this to bring others to Christ? So in other words, is what we are doing in our time together in our groups, is that time in that study helping people to live out what they're learning? Are people just learning what Jesus said or learning about the different schools of thought on a particular theological issue? Or are they instead being challenged to think theologically about all the decisions that they have to make in their lives every day? There's a big difference between that and head knowledge. So, simply put, engaging theology, it's more than just head knowledge. It's having that head knowledge impact how people live their lives and how they're better able to share that information with others, both in and outside of the church. That's a little bit here about our first new value, engaging engaging theology.